Hi folks, this is my new Kuhn Rikon 32 centimeter pan. It's a tank. It is much more heavy than I thought. The bottom or cooking surface is about 24.5 centimeters and rim to rim about 33 centimeters. The only also that I wasn't aware of is the handle. It's very long. It was a bit too long to my oven, that's why I seasoned the pan fast, no not fast, but actually a long time in the oven. But I had to keep the door open a bit, the oven door, and got little dirt here from the heat. But I think I can clean that up. But it could have really melted the plastic buttons. Otherwise, I'm very impressed. It's like 2 times, actually over 2 times as heavy as this Kuhn Rikon 28 centimeter pan I have here, just for comparison next to it. And here you see it's like 1 centimeter longer here, or taller. And then for comparison, in the background there's a Dubai 24 centimeter country pan, and it's like 2 centimeters about taller than this pan. And here you see the welded rivets to the cast iron handle. Okay, so here you can see the weight of the pan on the scale, 4.4 kilograms in kilograms, and see in pounds, almost 9.8 pounds. It's really a heavy pan, and it don't have any helper handle, but because the handle is long, you can grab it with 2 hands. Okay, thanks for watching.